Hello friends, this is Anubhav. Today I am going to show you how to create an animated score for your games using Scratch. So first, let's delete this cat. So let's choose a sprite here. So here I will choose this blue one, or I can also name it score. Let's add more costumes, more numbers, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and at last 0. So these are the numbers, all the costumes here. So let's go to our code. So first let's bring here a when green flag clicked, and here a forever loop, and this time we need to show the score. So first let's delete this my variable and create a new variable, naming it score. For all sprites. I want this to be a slider, but you need to hide this. So let's go to my blocks and let's make a new custom block, naming it show score, and it should run without screen refresh. So let's just bring it here, and remember you need to drag this show score into the forever loop, and we want to make it center aligned. So to do this, let's put it, go to X, say minus here another minus length of this code, here -1 multiplied by, and see, so here it is 65. And here is 68. So see, we take 68 this time. So 68. So what is 68 divided by 2? It will be 34. Y position needs to be 32. So let's see. Perfect. But it is not creating the number. So to make it create the number, let's make a variable. Another variable. Naming it index. And remember, this will be for this sprite only. And remember, you must hide the index variable. So let's bring here a repeat loop. Repeat the length of score. But at first, we need to set index to 0. And in the repeat length of score, we need to change index by 1. Here, we need to put a under the change index by 1, but inside the repeat length of score. Switch costume to letter index of score, because index is the digit number and letter index of score, it is the digit. So let's bring here a create clone of myself, and remember, there will be change x by 68. So let's check. But every time it will create clones. So we don't need this. So in the bottom, we need to put a broadcast. And let's create a new message, naming it change. And this will be broadcasted to the clone. And here, when I receive change, then delete this clone. So let's see. But it stopped creating the number. It is not creating the number. So that is why we have put the broadcast change below the show score. And so if a block is run by screen refresh, then it will work first. So let's put this broadcast change at the top of the defined show score. So let's see. But the thing we can see is here is an extra 0. So to solve this problem, let's go to loops, and at first there will be show, but still it is showing. So at the last there will be hide. So let's run this. Perfect. This time we can create the number, and I want to change the slider range. Say for example, 1 lakh. So let's see. So when it is at 1 lakh or less, then it is also center aligned. Say, let's change the slider range to say 7 nines. So let's test this. Perfect. So you can also add this to your games. Perfect. For example, I am going to add the animated score to my soccer game. So I'm dragging it from the backpack. Yes, I want to show it. I want to put it here and hide the score variable. So instead of 32, I want to put here 147. As you can see, here Y is showing 147. And instead of this score, I want to drag this score. And hide this score variable. So let's see. Perfect. So let's see how it looks like. Wow, at first the score is 0 and now it is changing very beautifully. Perfect. So please smash the like button, comment and subscribe my channel. See you in next video, and for now, bye bye.